Hello Leon, how are you? So today I will give you the brief demo of the algorithm that we made. So for that you will have to go from I've sent you the zip file, right? So this is the exact link. Inside the footballs folder you go into the components folder, and then you go into the functions folder, and inside that is this is a match folder. It has this functions.php file. You would open it and oh, sorry, wrong route. Uh, Functions and oh yes, it's tournament. My bad. Yes, here is the main file that generates the algorithm. That displays the algorithm actually. So this is the schedule builder class that we are using to make the tournaments. This is where we're setting the teams. The teams are inside an array that we pass from the database. Here you can see we are pushing the array values, and after that we shuffle it for once to create an actual tournament. After that the checks that we're implementing, here are the checks. So we first match up the team 1 and team 2, then we assign the team a name, then we check if the team has its specific number modified, and after that if it's 0 then it sets its time to the first game, and otherwise then it sets its time to the second game. And also the check is here that checks if the team is a stronger team or not. If the team is a stronger team, then their days get the day which they play gets plussed. That means that their day doesn't come, it will come the next time. So it this adds up into the array of teams, the team ID array, and we then use the team ID array to generate to push the team in the next section, and then we calculate it. So how is it all happening? This is happening with a team dot profile file. So you the main thing is in the source class, this class casual and schedule builder. These are the two main classes. And okay, so this is the schedule class, and this is the master array that contains the finalized teams. This is the protected team array that contains that team that haven't been decided yet, and these are all the constructors. And this is the make team algorithm that uses the matchup algorithm, and these are all the other functions, helper functions that we have used. And other than that, we have the schedule builder class that does all the job, and does all the calculations. So this is the class schedule builder. In it we have set team, set rounds, and add team for it. As you can see, we remove the team, and we set rounds for it. So this is the major thing that we're using, the schedule function. Now what the function does is it shuffles the algorithm according to a seed. The seed value is given for the first half of the season, and then towards the second half of the season. So with that in mind, what it does is it first checks that if the season has enough rounds or not, and if the season has enough rounds, then it goes into the add team function, and then it adds it to the team array. And after the team array, it goes to the finalized matches array, and there all the matches are set. And well, this is all about the algorithm, all the checks that we have implemented, and all the 4 checks that we've implemented are being implemented by these chunks of code, as you can see. And one more thing, the portion that we are checking to make sure that every other algorithm is working, it's here. If it checks if the tournament is working or not. I've also commented many portions of the code so you can understand it easily. And well, that's all from me now. And hope to hear from you soon.